National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fayette County, Ohio, southeastern Clark County, southwestern Madison County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near South Charleston, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include London, South Charleston, Jeffersonville, Bloomingburg, Lisbon, South Solon, Midway, Newport, Chenoweth, Interstate 71 at State Route 38, Madison Mills and Bookwalter. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 68 and 80. The National